Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And guys, in this video, we are going to discuss about SQL keys. What are keys? How it works, and what is the importance of these keys. Also, you can watch my other videos which I have already created over my YouTube channel regarding joins and window functions, rank, dance rank, and some SQL practice. And let's start this video. In this video you can see guys, SQL keys, right? A key in SQL is an attribute or a set of attributes which helps you uniquely identifies a record or a row of data in a relation or table. You can see guys, if you have a table, right? For example, let me take you on my SQL, right? This is the table called product table, in which you can see there is a column product ID, product name, category, stock level, um, restocking frequency, last restocked. Okay. You can see then how will you identify it if you have another table called employees table, customers table. For example, this is a customer table. Then there is a customer table. Then how can you identify that what would be in the products table? You have to assign a key to to find the matching records of the table. Okay, then SQL keys are coming to picture. Okay, so then you can see here. I will move to another slide, guys. In this slide, you can see there is a SQL I have created over my PPT. Yeah, I hope it is visible to you guys. Primary key, natural key, foreign key, surrogate key, alternate key, candidate key, unique key. There are multiple keys, but in SQL, when you work to solve any problems, or in your data analyst, business analyst, or data scientist role, then you usually use primary key and foreign key. These are very important to perform joins, to perform anything in a table. Then you must know primary key and foreign key. Let's move into another slide. Types of keys. What are the types of keys? In this even table, there are two tables, table 1 and table 2. Table 1, employee ID, employee name, employee license, employee password, DID, and DID department. Okay. Then you can see employee ID for table 1 is a primary key. Okay. And DID is the foreign key for to join table 2. Okay, this is foreign key. Alternate key is license and passport. And candidate key, what are the candidate key? Employee ID would be the candidate key, license would be passport. Will if you have Aadhaar column, then Aadhaar would be the candidate key. I hope you till now you have no problem related to SQL keys. If you have any problem, then please do let me know in the comment box so that I will get back to you. I will definitely get back to you and try to solve your problem. Okay, let's move into another slide. In this slide, primary key. Primary key uniquely identifies each record in a table, ensuring no duplicates or null values. In a primary key, there should be a unique record. For example, in employee table, there are employee ID is primary key. You can see here I have also I have written the example over PPT. And for let me take you here. Here you can see that, guys. In here you can see that customer ID for customer table is a primary key, which uniquely identify the table. Okay. I hope this is clear, guys. I hope there's till now there's no problem. Foreign key. A foreign key is a key used to link two tables. A foreign key is a key used to link two tables together. It sometimes also called a referencing key. Department ID, for example, department ID in employee table and is the foreign key referencing department ID in a department table, right? There is a product ID for customer table, and there is a There is also product ID for product table. This is foreign key for customer table, right? I hope this is clear, guys. Let me take you into another slide. These very important. You should note this. This is very important, guys. Without this, there will be a big problem to solve join operations to solve any other problems related to SQL. These very important, very important. And also you can see composite key. I have already shown over PPT previous slide. Composite key when a single columns combination two or more columns to form a unique identifier that is primary key. This is process is called composite key. A composition of order ID and product ID column in orders table to uniquely identify each rows. Unique key, what is the unique key? Ensures all values in a column are unique and make sure that the column has no duplicates. Unique column should be there. Allows only one null values per column. A table can have multiple unique keys. The email ID in a customer table ensures all emails are unique. I hope this is clear, guys. No problem uh, you have. Okay. Next, move to into another slide. In this slide, you can see natural key. What is the natural key and surrogate key? A natural key is a column or set of columns that already exist in data and can uniquely identify rows in a table. For example, student ID in a student table can be used. Kindly take a note of these keys, okay, as natural key because it is uniquely identifies each student. Surrogate key. A surrogate key is an artificial key generated by a user to uniquely identify a row in a table. This key is used when no natural key is available in the table. For example, product ID in a product table is used as a surrogate key. I hope this is clear, guys. Move to another slide, guys. In this slide, you can see candidate key. A candidate key is a column or set of columns in a table that uniquely identifies the record. In SQL, the keys is usually used for identification of the records. Okay, a candidate key is a column or set of columns in a table that uniquely identify the records. Each table can have one or more candidate key. Candidate key I have already explained in the picture in my previous slide. Out of those columns, one column is selected as primary key. For example, in a student table, student ID, phone number, email, or are candidate keys because these columns are uniquely identified. Each student ID is a primary key. I hope this is clear, guys. No problem you have related to these keys. I tried to explain in a very simple way. Next slide. Alternate key. What are the alternate key? I have already explained in my previous slide as well. By the picture, a candidate key that is not selected as the primary key is called alternate key. For example, in a student table, a student ID, phone number, and email address column. Okay. Student ID is a primary key and remaining candidate keys becomes alternate keys. Okay. These also unique. That's why these are alternate keys because we have already assigned primary key to student ID. That's why those keys are alternate key for the table. Okay. And this is done, guys. I hope this is very much clear to you. And no problem you have. But you have always remember, always keep in mind primary key and foreign key. I will tell you. Let's see here. For this table, feedback, customer feedback table. This is a table of customer feedback. From BI transform database has been selected over my SQL server. You can also create your own customer ID, product ID, feedback, feedback score, feedback date. Okay. Then you can see here customer ID is the primary key for this customer table, customer feedback table, and product ID is matching with the product ID of product table. This is the product table. You can see here, guys, inventory table. Sorry, inventory table. This is the inventory table under the BI transform database, and there is a product ID. Product ID is matching with the customer feedback product ID. That's why the product ID is called foreign key. Then only we can perform the join operation between customer feedback and inventory table. I hope this is very much clear to you guys. If you have any problem, then please do let me know in the comment section, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. And I will get back to you and try to solve your problem, guys. And please also watch my previous videos, which I've already uploaded over my YouTube channel related to joins, related to window functions. And keep learning, keep watching Cracker Browsing YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.